Hello everybody, welcome to Guidancee Education channel. We will see the topic that is discussed in this video. We are continuing class 11 physics, motion in a straight line. Under that we will be doing position time and velocity time graph for constant positive and negative acceleration for an object moving in positive and negative direction. Then for an object moving in positive direction and then changing its direction. We will also discuss the difference between uniform acceleration and constant acceleration. This video will be of great use to you because for the examination, a few graphical representations are given and you are asked to identify the type of motion experienced by that object. So watch the video completely without skipping, and if you think the video is useful, do like the video, share the video with your friends, and also leave your feedbacks as comments in the comment box below. If you have not subscribed my channel, do subscribe it now and support me. Thank you very much. Come, let us see the topic. In this video, we are going to discuss constant accelerated motion. We have already discussed uniform acceleration. In constant acceleration, the magnitude of acceleration remains constant. In uniform acceleration, the direction and magnitude remain the same. Anyway, in this video, we are going to discuss a few special cases related to constant acceleration. Why should we discuss this portion? It is because for the examination, a few graphical representations may be given and you may be asked to discuss or identify the type of motion that the body is experiencing. So we need to be familiar with a few diagrams. First, we will consider an object moving in positive direction with constant acceleration. What do we mean by this? This is the origin and the object moves in the positive x-axis direction. Each second, the velocity goes on increasing. That is what we mean by constant acceleration. Now, we will see how the position time graph for constant acceleration in the positive direction can be plotted. The graph is directed upwards because each second the position goes on increasing. What will be the nature of the velocity time graph? The velocity time graph is also directed upwards. U is the initial velocity. In the textbook, initial velocity is given as V0. In these two cases, acceleration is positive. That is, the velocity is always increasing. Now we will take up object moving in positive direction with constant negative acceleration. That is, the velocity continuously decreases. What will be the nature of the position time graph for this case? The position time graph is directed downward because as the time increases, the position or the distance from the origin goes on decreasing. What will be the nature of the velocity time graph? Velocity goes on decreasing. So initial velocity u is marked on the top of the y-axis, and as time proceeds, velocity goes on decreasing. You can compare this shape with the shape of velocity time graph for positive acceleration. Since the object is moving in the positive direction, we consider the positive y-axis for plotting the graphs. Please remember that. We have not plotted acceleration time graph. We have plotted only position time graph and velocity time graph. Now let us see how we can plot the graph when the object is moving in negative direction with constant acceleration. The object is moving from the origin along the negative x-axis. We will see the velocity time graph for this negative acceleration in negative direction. Negative acceleration means velocity is decreasing. It is in the negative direction. So we have to show it in the negative y-axis. This is positive y-axis and this is negative y-axis. Initial velocity is negative u and final velocity is negative v. So acceleration is negative. The magnitude of negative v will be more negative than negative u. So change in velocity will be negative. That is why acceleration becomes negative. Now Finally, we will see the velocity time graph for an object moving in the positive direction with negative acceleration and changes its direction at time t1. Motion in the positive direction up to t1 is shown in the positive y-axis, and thereafter, that is from t1 to t2, it is shown in the negative y-axis. Initial velocity is u and it moves initially in the positive direction, that is up to time t1. After it changes its direction up to t2, and the final velocity is negative v. I hope this video was of great use to you. If you think it is useful, do like the video, share the video with your friends, and also leave your valuable feedbacks as comments in the comment box below. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, do subscribe it now, and also press the bell button and all button for notification of more videos like this. Thank you very much for your support. We will meet in the next video with another important topic like this. Till then, bye. Take care.